his face when I told him he had to be here today.
Buckle has always been a lazy bastard.
You can't get nobody good anymore. They're on fucking drugs, or they're compromised with the law, or they're young and they don't listen to orders. Please. It's all me.
Well, I hope you don't feel that way about me, Tony. It's just this back.
You've done plenty. You paid your dues.
It's Tony Soprano.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Hey, Tony!
This is what I'm talking about, motherfucker. Am I supposed to be sitting here, you fucking idiots?
Shit! Now we look like jerk-offs.
What do we want?
Get out of the way!
When do we want?
You want to talk to your foreman.
You want to talk to the foreskin?
You a wise-ass motherfucker, huh?
Well, keep your mother off the streets and I won't fuck her.
Hi, Mike. Oh, look, Nick.